because means they use the video.
Hi guys, the name is Gele, and today we're gonna be doing it the Giddy way. This is one of my favorite style. Like this style, I've dyed it I think I've dyed up to 10 times of recent. So now I wanna give you guys the trick to achieve this style. First of all, you get a Sego Gele. Yes, you get a Sego Gele. People are asking me, why is it high? Why is it like this or so? Is there different sego? No, this is the sego you use. But first of all, there are short ones. There are some the cuts. So first of all, you should get to this sense. Look at it. From here to this place. You understand? It's a length 90. It's a full length sego you get. This is a full length sego. So with this now, you can achieve that style. You can see I've already shared into 50-50. So what we do, you hold it from here. It's 50-50. So anywhere you pick now, it will be equal. Anywhere you pick, it will be equal. So you hold it from here, share. So we'll print. We're gonna be printing, we print and print. So this that I've print now is okay in case I want to cover the back. You get, in case I want to cover the back, the person is not putting on air or so. So I can just split little to achieve that for so though. You get that. But we're cool with this. Now you see, I'll close it. What I'm gonna do now, I'm bringing it from the back. I and this is my fine model for today. But please let me to hold here. So you hold it here. What you do, you bring it up. You bring it up. Now those pleats we made, you arrange them. Those pleats we made, you make sure you arrange those pleats neatly. You arrange it neatly. Please, if you know the giddy way, you have to make your gele very neat. Make it so the giddy way we should know you arrange properly. So after arranging this side now, we'll give her to hold. Then you arrange this one. So please, when you are doing yours, you don't need to say, okay, giddy arrange this side first. It's that side that must always be first. So you can use any side. You get? You can use any side. You can either this one can either be down, this one be at the down. So since I've used it, I'll bring everything to the center. Understand? Try to have it, bring everything to the center. See, perfect. Then now she will hold both sides. Hold both sides. Hold no. Your ear. Hold both ears. See, she's holding both sides now. Me, I'm holding this side. I'm holding this side. It's tight, right? I'm trying to make it tight. It's tight. Then I bend it like this. This one this way. This one this way. So ladies and gentlemen, you see what we are doing? We already have this side. So first thing first, to achieve this style, you need to have something like this. Butterfly. You get it? You get it? So now it's tight already. Give her this one to hold. No, give her this one to hold. Please, whenever you are walking, if you are left-handed, start from this side first. If you are right-handed, start from this side first. I've advised people, whenever you are tying any gele that involves two sides, always work with the side you are comfortable with, and this side I'm comfortable with, which is from my right to the left. You get? So what do we do? You see now, we just make like take one pleat first. You get? We take one pleat first. Now you see these lines, you see all this folding, you start seeing all this folding. These are the foldings you'll be taking. Look at this folding now. I'll take from this folding, I'll hold it to here. Now you see the way I'm giving space here. That is how you make it high. If I don't want it to be high, I'll just bring it down. But you see, I just took it. It's like I'm creating space here. Look at also. I created space here. But pick this one, I created space. Okay? Now look at this one also. I created space here. That is how you make it high. Make it high. So you see, now I'll also take this one. So you are taking those edges. Look at these edges now. Is what I'm taking now. So ladies and gentlemen, at this junction the edges are finished. So what do we do? Please, it should always be on top each other. And some people will be saying, Gidi, your sego is soft, your sego is that. Please, if you have any sego that is soft, for you to be able to tie, you squeeze it. When you squeeze it properly, it will be soft. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we start breaking. Now, you see, let me show you something. See what is happening here now. Here is small, here is big. Abi? So what you do now, you pick here small, you pick here big. That's how you create your fan. That's how you just create your fan. Understand? That's how you do it. Like I said, here is small, here is big. You just pick small from here, pick big from here. But when you are picking the big, be sensible about it. You have to be sensible about it. Now you can see the way I'm holding my sego. Sego is very slippery. Sego is very slippery. That is why you see as I'm doing anything. Are you good? You are good, eh? Okay. So guys, everything is showing. Alright, so guys, we keep breaking. So we break again, you see. But now, you see, small, big. We are breaking it, we are moving it down. As you are breaking, you are moving it down. We continue again. So you see, the giddy style. Someone said it's the giddy style. So that is how you continue doing it. That's how you continue doing it till you get to the end. So you break again. So you see, we break again, we break again. We just break it to the end. But now what you should do for me, hello, you help me to hold here properly. You help me to hold here properly. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can see we're already having the style. You're like, wow. So this is how they do the style. Yeah, so that's how Giddy does the style. So we'll go to the back now. So stop it first. Material, the first two you worked with, you show red. Sorry, got it. Oh yeah. So guys, what you do, you drag this one now with this. Why is it slipping today? You drag it this way, you drag it. Sorry. You drag it back and you pin. You know the way I pin, once it goes in, it comes back. So now she raised up her hair, raise the hair. So you quickly arrange. You see? You see the arrangement? Now, you pick this one, pick it, you just twist. Now you see, you pin it here. You may pin. Sorry. Okay. So you know me now. If I'm not always sure, like I say, if I'm not sure of something, I pin more. It's better for me to waste pin. Leave it down. It's better for me to waste pin than my gele. No, what we do to this side or do it to this other side. So ladies and gentlemen, let's go this way. So you all know what we did, abi? So we'll still pick one here first. Then we'll not spread all this one so that we'll be seeing the lines. Now look at this line. Look at this line. Now see this line. Like I said, like I told you, if you are left-handed, you work with this first, then you struggle with the other one. But if you are right-handed like me, you see now, it's not too comfortable. But what do? I still manage. But you notice all the lines. So this one now. So most times, one of the stuff in this time, most times you get both sides equally, but most times you don't. But it should be similar. Don't let anybody catch you say not this similar. Don't let them catch you. Yours, your maneuver, and nobody will know. Nobody will know that it's not similar. So you get. So please, there, you put your hands here. Most times I like joining it before I continue so that I'll be seeing what I'm doing so that I'll be getting the shape in my head. So all you need to do is not much thing, just join together here. I might go take it off later if I don't like the shape balancing. But this one now is for me to keep going and breaking, you understand? So now that is like this now, I will understand that, okay, see what I'm working towards. So I keep breaking. You must always get this kind of shape both sides. You see the way here is small, here is big. And that's the shape if you get it both sides. And I told you when you are breaking down. Understand? When you are breaking down. So I go do pass yourself, not break, not leave some. Understand? Get it. And please, if you are in Lagos, don't miss my Ikeja class. Very important. You don't have to miss that class. 1 week Ikeja class. You have been learning from me online. That class is for you. Come and learn. Come and correct one or two. You have been learning from me. So you see, we're not doing it this way. So most times, if I see it's giving me tough, don't stop.
Let me stay.
Where? Where is that? Oh, sorry there. You can see we have started breaking. Break down. Now, if I see, okay, it's stressing me too much, all I need to do is just tell her, please, hold do. And no. Then what will happen? I'll just come here. Please, pin, please. I'll pin here. I'll just pin here. Be careful with your model so that you don't go and appear side. So that someone will not go and shout up bad Jesus for you. Come this way, please. You see it? So you come this way. It's either you pin it here, you drag and pin here. Look at, you drag these two and pin here, or you come here and pin. Look at, you pin it to this place. Now see, you see what I did? I already pin it there, but I'll still pin it here again. This is how you make it firm. But this is if you pin it here, it makes it firm, 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 firm. Yeah, now let's come back here. Now, due to one or two might be pushing back, you can see it firm already. So all we need to do now is give me pin. So that it doesn't push backward, I'll just pin here also to hold it. I can just gladly start what I was doing before again, all over again. See now, you see? Okay, now, Oma, are you getting it? Or you want to stay this way? Since we have pinned it from the back, we can just come back and rearrange again so that it will stress us. We start picking. Now, everything. So you see, I always tell you, all the shape should be like this. So you see, when you break now, it's coming down, get. Now, you break again. I'm not saying it's going to be very, very easy, but if you put your mind to it, you're going to do it. The style is not that hard. So once you put your mind to it, you're going to do it. So, sorry there. So we keep breaking. Always hold it firm. You see the way I'm holding it firm? You break. You hold it firm. You arrange, you hold it firm. You break again. So always breaking down. So breaking is going down. So breaking, make sure it's going down and you hold everything together. So okay. So what will happen now? We'll now dress everything. Okay, so you see, you can just start to put our hands here for you. So when you get here now, this one, I'll say if we wrap it like, if you wrap it like this, the fan will start raising. So wrap it downward like this. Wrap it downward like this. You get, wrap it downward like this so that all the fan will be okay. Cause just come. Come on, please continue. Oh, pin them here. So when you are done with this style, you will now go and be arranging. Yeah, remove your hand here. So I can just come back here Okay, let me see this one like this now. Okay, give me pin. I can pin here like this now, straight up this way. It's circle, so it will stay. If it's actually okay to come out, since it's circle, it's going to stay. You understand? So since I've gotten this one, I'll press this one down also and pin, so that it can be equal on both sides, so that nobody will know that did wayo. Equal on both sides. The way it is now, remove the pin from here. I use pinning it first. So I want to try and arrange it. I either bring it this way. No. Arrangement process. That's the one I want to say. Now, look at what I'm noticing. Look at what I'm noticing. So that I'll make the correction. So you see the mistake I made so that I can make the correction. You all should see. If you notice, this side now is just white. While this side is okay. So I'll go to the back and loosen this particular one. Do now the reason I was doing that, when I was breaking, when I break, I didn't move it down. So when I'm breaking now, it should be going downwards. But I'm arranging it downwards. So once I break, it's going downwards. Get. So see, once I break now, it's going downwards. So once I break now, to go downward. So once I break, to go downward. So you'll see now that it will be different. Before I was just breaking, it was wide. I was not bringing it down like I said in the other one. I said once you are breaking, you take it downward. Then we just take this one now. So pin well. If you not pin well, as you are twisting it like this, everything will just go. Just put that space. Pin. Just face your head up. So you come back this way to see whether they are a little bit the same now. So if you check it now, you'll notice that it's different than before, but it's okay. So you see, so I can just come like this now, arrange it, arrange it, arrange it, arrange it. Now you see, I've created the pattern here, I've created the pattern here. We just meet at the middle like this. That middle is just need, it just needs to be rough. It doesn't need to be that. How will I put it? The middle can be rough. So this is it. Oh, this is it. You get it? You get it? Now you see. So this is how you do it. So you just come here, still arrange here. Always arrange. They used to still arrange seg also. You arrange it. So you see. So that's how it is. Might just come to the back, pin one or two. But pin here now, pin here, you can see everything is looking equal. So all you need to do now, you bring out her ear gently, bring out her ear gently, come to the back and wrap. Yeah, come. See, everything is okay. Everything is okay at the back. Abi? See, everything is okay. So what you do, you pin, and that is the end. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Nah. So you bet your dad never knows it again. Okay.